and welcome everyone. In GMAC 16th edition happening at Gandhinagar, and I'm having with us Mr. Keyur from Metallic Ford Pvt.
Yeah.
So if you would like to elaborate on how did you get to know about Philips and its technologies, about the Haas, and what made you choose Haas at first?
We have tried Indian-make machines so far till 2021. Eventually, we were new in the market, so we were using the typical classic technologies that were available in market. So once we got some critical components, we knew that local machines are not able to achieve that kind of quality, repeatability, sturdiness over the period of time. So it was deteriorating our quality in longer term. We have explored the market about the good machines available in market. We found out with the Haas, eventually with the Philips. Then we have ordered a VF-2 in 2021. You can say 100% different and the available existing machinery in the locals and against the Philips.
Like you said, you was entering the market. You was newer player to the market when it comes to the machining. But at the same time, it's very important to have that cost effectiveness or that price sensitiveness which companies should offer you to the newer market. Do you feel the same? And that too for imported product.
For the price wise, of course, there is a more capital investment than the available players in the market in India. So we are not looking at the capital investment currently, but at the longer period when our ROI is coming, even though ROI, what the quality we are getting with the optimum cycle times, that is the more matters to us. We have chosen the higher brands.
Now, in order to upgrade your shop floor facility, now not just VF2 but a true 5X solutions like UMC is there or other brands is Phillipsmachinetools representing here at the booth. In order to upgrade your shop floor, which new technology you would like to adopt and explore with Phillipsmachinetools in the upcoming year?
So currently we are using VF2 with your Y-axis, and in future we have some projects in pipeline which is going to be finalized by the middle of next year. We are hoping to have your universal 5-axis machine which is displayed here.
Thank you, Mr. Keyur.